Yo he visto estos 2 días, antes de que llegara la presidenta, la desorientación que existe de los grandes empresarios en Europa. Una gran desorientación, una gran confusión.
Is an underlying set of policies set by financial institutions which create conditions for the market system, among other things. It includes terms we often hear, such as interest rates, loans, debt, the money supply, inflation, etc.
We live in an infinite growth paradigm. The economic paradigm we live in now is a Ponzi scheme. Nothing grows forever. It's not possible. As a great psychologist, James Hillman, wrote, the only thing that grows in a human body after a certain age is cancer. It's not just the amount of money that has to keep growing, it's the amount of consumers. Consumers to borrow money at interest to generate more money, and obviously that's not possible on a finite planet. People are basically vehicles to just create money, which must create more money to keep the whole thing from falling apart, which is what's happening.
We are controlling transmission. We will control all that you see and hear. We are controlling.